where to start to get your business online. You want an online presence for your small business or your trades business. Here's a list of 8 pieces of software to get your business online. Out of the 8, 2 of them have to be paid for. The others are free, and they are basically like keys to additional software that as you then grow, you can build upon them. So this is the foundation. This is where you'd start. I'm going to show you the 8 tabs and information on them of what this software is. Now, if it becomes overwhelming and you want someone else to do that, we can do that for you. So if you do want us to do this and set it up for you, go to ictbluewood.pro, and on there you'll be able to sign up and get our digital package, and we would be able to set this all up for you. You can do it yourself, and I'm going to show you where to go to get logged into those ones as well. Number 1, you want a Google account. Now this Google account will be a free Google account, and I have another video on how you set that one up, because this is not going to be a Google account that you use for your emails. Think of it like a digital master key. This is going to be the first one, and you're going to use this as an administrator password for your business and setting up your other accounts, and you'll then later build upon that. So with this one, go to google.com/account and about. That's it. Over on the right, if you've already got an account, you can log in. But I suggest you set up a separate Google account for your business, and this one you create it here and call it your business name at gmail.com. That's going to identify it. Keep your personal one separate. This is just your digital master key. Next thing, you'll want a domain name. Your domain name is going to be the bit that's going on your website, www.yourbusinessname.com.co.uk.org, whatever it is. That's really important. Off of that, you're going to then be able to build your email on that as well, a professional email. So it's going to be your name at your domain name, yourbusinessname.com. But this is where to buy it. Now go to domains.squarespace.com. Put in a domain that you're looking for there. Search. When it comes up, buy it. That's it. We'll get into details of why you should buy certain domain names, what a domain name is, and the importance of a domain name in another video. Subscribe and you'll be notified for it. After you've got your domain name, then you're going to want to get a website. Now, you're going to use a website through your Google account. I'm going to show you my website. It's going to set you up with being able to set up all the different pages that you need for your business, about you, what services you offer, where you offer them, and that's free. So I'm showing you one of my websites here, and you're going to be able to create this, but you're going to have to look for the introduction in another video. I will put a link to where you get your sites, which is Google Sites, in a blog post or in the description below. After you've got your website through your Google account, there will be another video on how to do that. Next, you want to go to Zoho.com. Zoho are a software company, and they're very similar to the likes of Google, very similar to the likes of Microsoft and Apple. They create software that you can sign in and create an account on it. In my experience, not many people have heard about Zoho, but they're really useful, and they say they're the operating system for business, and they truly are. So we take you through loads of their applications that integrate really well and simplify the running of your whole business. So set yourself up on Zoho.com, and it's Zoho.com. Over on the right hand side, you'll see either sign in or sign up. That's where you'll go through to create a Zoho account. When it asks you for your email, put in the email for your business key that you created back on the Google account. Next, what you're going to want is a blog site. You're going to get a blog site which is separate to your website, and you're going to be able to continually post content on here. This will help consistency and will help with backlinks and getting your website found. So you'll post regular content on here. On your website, it's not going to always have updated content. It's going to be about your services, what your service area is, who you are, but then you're going to have regular, helpful, educational content on your blog site. And you'll use your Google account to create that as well. There will be a video more in depth on that one. Next, you're going to want a Google Business Profile. So this is for a small business that's going to offer a service like ourselves, a handyman services or a carpentry service, and that's what I help with Bluewood Office, is particularly tradespeople, and you want to be able to tell other people where you are. So this is going to help with your local SEO, search engine optimization, how people are going to find you on their mobile phones. So you'll set that up. There will be a link down below in the description to a document on a blog post that will set out all these links for you to follow. 8 of them, like a checklist. Next, you're going to need a professional looking email address. That's going to be your name at your business name. Now, there's lots of places to be able to set that up. They're not professional email accounts. The last organization that I can find that will offer you a professional email account that you can manage for a business, and it's free, is on Zoho.com. Zoho Mail pricing. When you get to that page, up the top, it's going to give you this price list that you scroll down, because Zoho will give you 5 email accounts for free. Now, I strongly suggest that you sign up for this with your Zoho account and you get 5 users. Now, if you get 5 users, that is person 1, person 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's their names. So an email actually goes to the individual. Even if it's just one person at the moment, claim it, get all 5, because then what you can do on top of that are create groups. So you would have a sales group and a number of people in sales, or you would have a admin group and a number of people in admin, and that's how you'll be able to manage your emails. That's for a far bigger video. Subscribe, check out the other videos, and there'll be descriptions on that in more detail. If the information so far has been helpful, give it a thumbs up. We're almost there. Next thing you're going to want is for people to ring you. Don't get them to ring you on your mobile phone, on your private number. Keep that private. The reason being, if you ever build up this business to sell it, you don't want to sell your private number. You want to sell the work number. So you're going to get yourself a work number. Don't buy a mobile phone for it and a SIM card. Get a virtual number so that you can access the work number on your mobile phone with your existing private number, and you just set up to a service. So go to circleloop.com, partner Bluewood-office. There's a link to that below. Now, you will need your Google account email address and your Zoho email address set up before that. So there is a lot of steps to do to configure all of this, and I'll take you through further videos on how to do all of those steps if you want to do it yourself. But of course, if you want us to do it, you know where to get us. Once you've got your business number, you're going to use that number for a lot of other things afterwards, on how other people can answer the phone for you. You don't have to do it all the time, and you're also going to be able to get WhatsApp for business on that number. So it's super useful. This is the most efficient way that I can see of setting up an online infrastructure, and this is the basic list. Hope that helps. Check out the next videos and we'll go through in detail on how to set up each of these services. See you in the next one.